I have something interesting to show you all. That is in Power BI system you can make a input system, no need other app for input system. Now I will make an input system for you all. Recently this cost was done in 22. Cost for my wife, it was for cost is for non-green or fuska for my wife at Khulna. It was cost around 1000 taka. Now hit the save. Done. Save done. Check my data entry serial number 830. Now 31. Now I will check is that data save or not in my database. Now check. This is my new entry. This is 803. The cost is 1000 taka. Rate at Khulna non-grill cause is met this rate. I also make the refresh from here. Trigger. It will take 1 or 2 seconds for refresh. I'm making it full. Now in May 22 I have only one cost. After refresh the cost was for non-grill also. Thank you very much.